we're going to get things over to Weather First meteorologist Grayson Freund. Grayson, when we left the house this morning, I know you were here early. It was already hot and it just kept on going.
Right. I remember I stepped outside around 3 a.m. and it was feeling more like 3 p.m. We were already in the high 70s and low 80s, and it's only going to go up from here. Right now we are in the mid to upper 80s, even a few 90s across eastern Iowa, 87 degrees right now here in Cedar Rapids. And the thing today is it's also going to be humid. We have dew points right now in the 70s, even above that top notch, meaning it's hot and it's humid. I haven't been outside since I stepped out at 3 a.m. this morning, and I don't think I want to go outside because it's feeling hot and it's feeling humid. And today is going to be the most hot and humid day of the week going forward. We are in the 70s today for dew points, and then we drop down back into the 60s going forward. But again, it's still going to be feeling sticky and hot, but again, today is going to be the hottest and humid of them all for the rest of the week. And here's a look at the past few hours. Again, some areas did see some rain and storms earlier this morning. Those have now moved out of the area to the southeast, and we are in that dry period right now. We do have some rain on the way going into this evening, but again, temperatures today going to top out around 90 degrees. And as this cold front that we have kind of moving slowly through the state pushes forward this afternoon, that's going to push these showers and storms into the afternoon and evening. So we do have a level 2 out of 5 severe risk for tonight. So some of these storms do have the potential to become severe, and what we'll be watching for here mainly is going to be along and south of Highway 30 and Interstate 80, watching for gusty winds, hail, heavy rain, and flooding. And we've been talking a lot about flooding here really the past couple of weeks, and we do have a flood watch in effect until tomorrow morning in our southeastern counties of eastern Iowa. And we also have been talking about river flooding and water level rises, just the Mississippi and the Cedar River, just to name a few. And the Cedar River is actually expected to crest at, I believe, about 13.2 feet here in the next couple of days. So we will be keeping an eye on these water level rises as we go forward and receive more rain. So here's a look at the past few, or going forward in the afternoon. We can see we have this cold front kind of setting up right here in the middle of the state, and that's going to push forward as we go into the afternoon. And this is where the first round of showers and storms is going to set up as we head into the afternoon. And then as this kind of moves through, again, we're going to be watching for the winds, hail, and flooding, again, more to the southern part of the state, south of Highway 30 and Interstate 80. And as this continues, we may see some lingering rain into early Wednesday morning and some clouds as well. But once all this activity moves out, we are back to sunshine as we head into the day on Wednesday and into Thursday as well. So here's a quick recap. Again, after all of that rain moves out tonight, we have a few dry days in between before the rain chances return heading into Friday, and temperatures are going to be falling back into the low 80s.